Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Jeraco cap. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed. Silver in color. It's in pretty decent shape. There's a couple little scuffs right there. Not a lot of problems on this one. Does have the Thule ladder rack on the, the Yakima rack on the top. Has a little bit of probably tree sap. There's a couple, 3 or 4, 10 spots or so. Most of them are on the top. There's 3 right up there. There's 1 there. Another one right there. I think it's tree sap. It doesn't. There's 1 right there. Paint's in pretty good shape. Down through here. A little bit of a scuff on the bottom edge there as it sit on the ground. Really nothing major. It's pretty good through there. A little bit of a paint chip on the edge there. Does have the third side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. Paint looks good in the front here. Don't really see any major issues. Sliding window in the front, slides open. Allow access into the cab from the cab and cab from the cab. Closes back up. Seal that back up. It's a little bit of issue on the paint right there. And it looks like some chips that were probably touched up at one point in time. Top looks good. No paint damage there. Another little spot of tree sap there. Paint looks good back here. A little bit of a black mark. I don't know. Probably would buff off whatever it is. Doesn't look major. A little chip on the edge there. A little bit of a couple paint chips right there. Really looks good on for as far as paint goes. Third side slider on this side as well. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Looks like they've had some issue with the door at one time. It's kind of dented all up. Looks like they were trying to, I really don't know what they were doing there. Has some additional screws in it, so I don't know if the glass fell out. And it does have glass in it, so I don't think it broke, but seems like it works okay, so I'm not really sure. Small hole in the screen right there. Other than that, the screens look good. Just bare fiberglass inside. Front window is a sliding window. It's also tilt in, so this lever flips down like this on both sides. Allows you to open the window up to access the cap, or to wash the front of this window here, and then wash the back of the truck cab window, and then you can close that back up, lash that down, seal that back up. Side's pretty, this doesn't look like it leaks at all. A little bit of a hole in the screen right there on the corner. Really not too awful bad. Serial number right there is a Jeraco. Doesn't give you a lot of information, but that's it right there. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass Jeraco cap. Silver in color. I think the GAN was the color code. I'm not 100% positive of that. Silver in color. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed. It'll also work on the 15 to 19, 2500, 3500s. Classic body. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see what location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, you can just click that link, go to our website, and search that stuff up, and then purchase that online as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're waiting for something to come in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in, so you'll want to subscribe below to kind of keep up to date on what's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.